You join me as I'm in the middle of building out this custom GPT, and then I thought I'll share it with you so you can see the process because hopefully this is going to be epic. But let's dive in. So let's minimize the screen. Let's turn off our little octopus down here. Just been playing around with TikTok freebie as always. Let's turn the thing off. Or attempt to turn it off. How do you turn this bloody thing off? This is the basic concept of this. So this is what I'm creating on the screen over here. It's called the Viral Affiliate Assistant. And basically what it'll do is it turns affiliate links into viral posts and video scripts. And what I've done is over on the back end over here, this is on the front end here, and this is over on the back end. So when you're doing one of these, you've got to give it a name, a description. You then put in instructions. So you can see on here, I've got a lot of instructions in here. Then we've got what are known as conversation starters, these over here. So anything I put in over here will go over here. And then you've got a knowledge file and you've got other bits that you can upload in here. So the capabilities of the GPT, can it, go ahead and do web search? Can it create images and lots more? So I'm about halfway through this. So you put in your information and then over on the create tab over here, you just go through it. So you can see on here, at this moment in time, I'm answering the question. So the question I'm currently up to, and then we'll test it out together. So it says here, look, I've updated the focus so it emphasizes pain points and always balances selling with value. And that's what I wanted it to do. I didn't want this just to be like a salesy thing. I wanted people to come in here and say, this is my affiliate product or this is my own product. And I want you to create value posts around this, highlighting pain points, and then offer this as the solution. So let's just continue with this and then we'll test it out. And hopefully, touch wood, it will work. So it's asked on here, should the tone be casual and friendly, so we'll just go with casual and friendly, okay? And I'm at the end. Well, I say I'm at the end, hopefully. I'm nearly near the end of building this because the hard part is going through the configuration tab over here. And that's like, say, you can upload websites and different URLs. You can upload your own data into here. So we've done all that. Would you like the assistant to usually ask clarifying questions if something is important or missing? Let's just say filling gaps. And whenever I'm building one of these GPTs, I always want it to be as straightforward and simple for the user to go through it. I don't want it to be a long thing where they come in, they're putting all their information, and then it asks question after question after question. Sometimes these things can be a bloody nightmare. But you can see on here, look, the Viral Affiliate Assistant is fully set up. You can test it in preview on the right mode. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's create it. And let's, for now, click on Save. And then it should open up. And then we'll grab an affiliate product and we'll test it out together, okay? So it's published. So let's have a look at this. So with any GPT, they just go down here in ChatGPT over on the left-hand side. So I just click on here. And this is, so let me show you, look. So here's one called Story Spark Studio. So let's go back over to this one we've just built, which has gone, where the heck's it gone? Viral Image Maker. Let's go back in here. I've got too many up, and let's go back into it. So let's go to My GPTs, and we will go into it. So Viral Affiliate Assistant, let's visit it. And we'll have a little play around with this. So, let me move my head up here so you can see all of this. Drop your affiliate link for a TikTok script. I don't want a TikTok script. I want a Facebook post. So make this product into a Facebook post. So first of all, we'd need an affiliate offer or your own offer or whatever. So let's just go in here. Let's just click on top offers. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to get an affiliate link and I'm going to paste it into here. Health and fitness. Let's have a look. The lost generator. What on earth is that? Let's just test that one. Okay. So for now, you would go and normally get your affiliate link. I'm just going to go over to the sales page just so we can get this. So let's go and click on view the sales page. I'm going to go over here. There we go. Let's grab that. Well, I don't know if that'll work. It's got a video on there. Let's see if it does. I don't think it will do because it's got a video on it. But let's go ahead and test it. See if we can get the basic for this. So let's go on here. Let's click on make this page into a Facebook post. And then I'm going to say, look, so here we go. Look. Let's do this. Paste that in there and let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. It's actually gone ahead and done it. Absolutely brilliant. So, Facebook hook. Tired of skyrocketing energy bills? Da, 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 da. Here's the real bit. Here's the text. What you get. This is brilliant. Call to action in there, and then it even breaks it down and tells you why this works. So look, it's got an attention grabbing hook, clear benefits, real user testimonials, strong call to action. Let me know if you'd like to tweak it, or even a TikTok script. So literally, all we're doing here is we're putting in our affiliate link and it's going to create the content for us. Now, with this, you could use it on theme pages, you could use it on your own Facebook page, you could use it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, absolutely loads of platforms. And the reason why I am building these is to make life easier. Because obviously, if you know, and a long time viewer, I am pretty lazy. So let's hit on TikTok scripts. And here it's just going to create a script. Now with that script, I can then just take it and put it over into Syllabi or any video creator basically. But here, look, it's got the whole script for us. And at the end of the script, we've got our call to action. Tells you what to put on screen. Script 2, script 3. It's absolutely awesome, if I do say so myself. So now we've played around with that. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to add this now over into the members area over in Faceless Freedom, because what I've been doing is, if you don't know, the Faceless movement over here on school, it's my own community and it's all geared around earning online with faceless content. So we do this in a number of ways. So obviously I've got YouTube accounts and loads of other bits. So everything I'm doing online goes in here. And a method I've been researching and doing a lot lately as well is faceless Facebook marketing. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Faceless Facebook marketing. So in here, for example, you'll see we do an overview of the method and how it works. And then I've been creating these custom software. So essentially this little method over here on Facebook is now Facebook monetizing pages and your own personal profile, by the way. You can literally just start pumping out content. So to make it easier, over in this one, we have got a number of softwares in here. We've got the viral image maker, we've got Buzz Prompt, which basically goes ahead and creates engaging posts. It's another GPT. We've got Story Spark, which I've tested out this morning and is absolutely brilliant. It'll write short stories and you can have it for Instagram and Facebook and loads more places. So this one that we've just gone ahead and created now, this GPT over here, we'll add that into our classroom down here. But look, if you're not creating these GPTs to make your life easier, even if it's not earning online, it's just day-to-day stuff, you're seriously missing out, because as you've seen over here, they just work incredibly well. So if you are a member of the community, the GPT will be inside of here. I'll make a post where we're going to put it, probably down here under the gifts and resources tab under ChatGPT with our agent mode and other stuff. So look, a quick update for you. Still building out the faceless movement. Still want it to be the #1 community for earning online with faceless content and AI. So yeah, there you go. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.